Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Katie, and today I'll be presenting about my project, which is called Movie. So this is the intro page of my app, and it is heavily inspired by NTIX. Bentar, sek. Pause. Enggak, aku mau. So here's the design, and this is the intro page. So as you can see, there's the design of the intro page contains the logo and the introduction to guide the users. So this logo is actually a button where it will lead you to another screen. So the home page contains 8 movies. With the movie cover and the title. And so it contains the movie cover and the title, and by clicking the movie cover, it will lead you to another screen. Next. So this is the layout of the home page. There is table arrangement, vertical arrangement, horizontal arrangement, 8 buttons and 8 labels. So for the coding, we need to make a lot of lists first. There is the button image list, button list, label list, title list, and the start value list. So when screen tree initialized for each index from 1 to length of list get global button list by 1. So the index is the position of an element in the list, which is 1 by 1 in this case. Length of list returns the number of items in the list. Since the button image needs to be covered by the movie cover image, it will be select list item list, get global button list with the index to select list item list in the get global button image list. And it is the same for the label tags. Use select list from the global label list to select list item list get global title list. And the text color is optional, but in here you can also color the label list by making the color. And when any button is clicked, it will lead to the description page, but based on what the user clicks on. Index in listing is to return the position of the thing in the list. If not in the list, it returns to 0. So the description page is when you click the movie cover, like this. So as you can see, there is the title, the genre, the movie cover, the duration, trailer button, back button, synopsis, producer, director, writer, and cast. So we need to make a list. So there is start value list, title list, genre list, synopsis, cast, cover, duration, producer, director, and writer list. So here are the codings. So when the lists are already made, the coding will be much easier to do now. We set the label image list. We set the label or image to select list item in the list that we made before. The back button will lead to the home page. The trailer button will lead to the trailer screen based on the index. So when you click the trailer button, it will lead you to a trailer screen. So the trailer page will lead you to a YouTube app where it will automatically go to the movie trailer you chose. So So here are the codings. In this page, we use a component called Web Viewer. It can lead us to another browser with specific link. And we make the global index 0 and make a URL list and start value list in order. The back button is to go back to the description page based on the last movie the user viewed.
Next.
Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, any question related? No. Why we use the list, Kathy, in code?
It's to make it easier, so we can use the select.
Like let's say slide number 9. Why we use a lot of lists?
So it will be easier to organize, like the next page, next slide. It will be easier to code, so we can use select list item list using the list before.
We can use exactly the same pattern of code to calling the name, so calling the data in the index number, correct? Okay. And then can you show me this the most difficult part of it? Which one? Maybe
Before the list. This is the hardest part
Why?
for me because like for example, the very first one is Garfield, right? So the title is generalist, synopsis, and everything. The first one needs to be about Garfield. So if you insert the wrong information, it'll be how to say, like it'll be like not about Garfield then. Like
we need to carefully to put the data. One data connect to same index number. Let's say for the title, for the synopsis, and for the any information. Okay. What do you think about what next about your project? Can you maybe you have another idea to improve it? Let's say, okay, I have one idea, but I cannot do it right now. And you have an idea to improve the apps, but you cannot do it at MIT Inventor.
to make the where users can buy tickets to watch in the movie.
I think you can add the admin as well, the admin account who can add more title, you and more filer as well. But right now, if you want to add another title, you need to code again.